Okay, good morning. So, ayan po. Andito po tayo ngayon sa Twin Lakes. So, sa nakikita niyo po ngayon, yan po ang ating green view. So, pagbaba po, yan po ating mga RFO, Ready for Occupants Condo Units. So, as of now, 99% occupied. Sold out na po siya. That's the view. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa hotel, sa Twin Lakes Hotel. So, sa dining area nila outside. So, here's the Twin Lakes Hotel Vineyard Plantation. It measured 2 hectares. So, in the future, so gagawin siyang 10 hectares hanggang doon, all the way down there. So, that's the free selling condominium, the Belvedere Tower. Ito ang kabuuan ng hotel. In that area niya po ang aming residential lot, which is the Domaine Hardin and the Lucerne Domaine Hardin. It is a 1,200 hectares project by Mega World. So from up there sa may shopping village po namin down to the Lake of Taal. Yan po. Ganyan po ang kalawak ang project ni Mega World. So that's Twin Lake full, Infinity full.